Hello and welcome to the Hard Reset YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how to enable full screen in your Google Chrome browser. The first thing you want to do is just open your Google Chrome browser. Great. Now go to the top right corner and click on these three dots. Now you have to click on this button all the way to the right. As you can see, now I'm in full screen mode. I can leave it by hovering up and clicking on the X. You can also enter and leave the full screen mode by clicking F11 on your keyboard. Great, now you know how to enable full screen mode in Google Chrome. Please like and subscribe and have a nice day.